Hey guys, this is Fuse Audio. I'm going to show a quick unboxing of the GLD. It's going to come like this. The best way is put it on the ground, take it out carefully, lay it down sideways. Oh, by the way, when you pick it out, we have a little thing that says accessories. Got your slip mat. Inside the box, we have the puck. We have RCA to 3.5, speaker wire, power adapter. Left speaker, right speaker. This is your speaker wire. You should have two separate lines, one for each speaker. On the back of each speaker, you're going to see your red and black inputs. And on the speaker wire, you're going to see one side has a white line, one side has a black, is all black. The side with the white line goes to red, and the side that's all black goes to black. On the back of the GLD, you're going to have R for right side, left for left side, or L for left side. Connect the wire to the corresponding side. Make sure you use the included slip mat. We also have an included puck, your power adapter. Now that it's plugged in, one thing I want to make a note is for the cartridge needle, you have to take off the protector prior to use. So there's a small band that comes off. There's also a small protector protecting it. You just slide it straight up. We'll put that there. To power on the unit, turn the volume power plug. If you want to use the Bluetooth input, meaning stream from your phone to your GLD, don't touch the tone arm, just turn on the volume, then it'll blink blue. As the LED is blinking blue, use your phone and go to your Bluetooth. Inside your Bluetooth, you should have Fuse Audio GLD. So you can touch that to pair it. That sound means that it is pairing successful. Go to your playlist and just play any song. So I'll pause that. To use the record itself, take off the puck. We have this one here. Match it up to the spindle. You're going to unlock it. There's a small lever here. You're going to move the lever. That raises the tone arm. You can move the tone arm to the section of the record you want to play. Lower the tone arm. And that's how you get your record going in the beginning. Once the tone arm reaches the end, the record will automatically stop. But to pause it or stop at any time, you lift the lever, move the tone arm back, lower the lever. That'll allow you to play the record. I'm going to show you how to use the Bluetooth out as well. So on the back of the unit, there's a Bluetooth button right here. So I'm going to show you how to pair it. So let's say this is our Bluetooth speaker we want to send the music to. So first I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth speaker.
Pairing mode.
My speaker is in pairing mode. Next, we're going to lift the tone arm and move the tone arm just a little bit so the record is spinning. When the record is spinning, I'm going to push the button on the back, the Bluetooth button on the back. And it should be flashing red and green. As you can hear, it just said paired. And now it's solid green. Solid green means that pairing is successful. So once that's successful, now I can go ahead and play my record. And that means pairing is successful.
Disconnected.
And now it's disconnected. So once again, to pair, you can turn on the music anytime, push the back, push the back Bluetooth button. It'll flash green and red.
Paired.
It'll automatically pair as long as you're in Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can hear. So now we're in pairing mode. So this should provide you all functions. Lastly, we do have a 33, 45, and 78 knob, and this will depend on your record size. So if you had a 45, you can adjust it to 45, and it'll speed it up, and then 78. But this is at 33, so we'll leave it at 33. One last thing, the back of the device does have RCA out. So you would plug your red and white cable to it, and we include a 3.5 millimeter jack for you to plug into another amplifier receiver, and you can run the music to a different speaker as well, a non-powered speaker. And there is also a auxiliary in if you wanted to use the speakers to play your other music from different sources. So outside of that, this should cover the full unboxing as well as showing you how to play and use it.